Now for making this trainer section, what we can do, we can just again add a flexbox container here, and here we can name this trainers, and this would be 1300 max width, and here we have the 80 pixel to the top, and this would be also 80 pixel to the bottom. And here you can see we have this color, so we can just click on this. Here we can have this digit theme. Okay, then after that you can see that we have to add this. So let's add this here, testimonial, and here we can add this. Then we can have this lorem ipsum value here. Okay, this everything will be in the center, and here we can have we can change the content, and here we can write trainers. Here we can have the lorem ipsum value. Can make this center. Now we can make this grid, so let's publish this first, and after that we can add a grid here. Okay, now you can see that we have the 4 columns here, so we can make this 4 by 1 like this, and here we can add a container. Let's remove the padding, add an image. Here we can choose this all of these images one by one. Also you can see that we have this very simple and beautiful layout, and this name would be queries Emerson, any random name I am putting. We can put any genuine name here, and I am using all the dummy images. You will use all the genuine images. Okay, I hope you understand my strategy. Here we can make this 35. Okay, now you can see that we can just copy this, paste it, and this would be personal trainer okay, and this size would be 235. Personal trainer. Now we can have the social icon, so let's search for the social icon, and we can drag and drop the social icon here. Okay, here we can just duplicate this, and this would be Instagram. Okay, so you can add this type of things, and also choose your rounded or square. So we're gonna choose a square. Let's go to this. Here we're gonna choose a custom color. We can make this white, and we can make this black. Size would be a little bit smaller, and padding would be like this. We can have some spacing here. We can make this here you can see that we have these colors, our color. We can just go here we can go to the icon hour. Here we can make this to theme blue and like this, and this is the hover animation for we're gonna use the grow and rotate animation like this. Okay, so this is done almost. Now let me duplicate this. Okay, let's duplicate this again, and we're gonna duplicate this again. Okay, you have to just replace their images and all of the text content, and your this thing is also done like this. We can replace all of this and this content here. If you want put some spacing here also, you can just go to this, and here we can just add the 30 pixel. Let's publish.